Is that ito labong nabibili sa Asian store. Sa probinsya sa amin marami. Let's see kung anong magagawa ko dito. Kung magluluto ng ganito, lalagyan niya ng gilas.
A few moments later.
So, ito yung ihalo. I'm going to mix. Is a fatty portion. Taba lang baboy. Pero wala na ito masyadong taba. Bawasan na yung mantika dito. So, I'm going to add and mix this in our bamboo shoot. Hindi na ito masyadong mataba. Wala na ito masyadong mantika. Parati ko talagang nilalagyan ng chili yung mga recipe ko. You know that there's a lot of health benefits sa katawan nitong chili. So, kung hindi pa kayo natutong kumain na maraming chili, hindi naman ito masyadong maanghang. This is not too hot. Ito na lahat yung ingredients natin dito sa bamboo shoots. So, labong, bamboo shoots, garlic, orange bell pepper, and jalapeno, onion, spring onion. This is crab paste. This minced crab means. So, nabibili. Ito will complement with this one. Diba, medyo mapait ito eh. So, magmamatch itong dalawa. Nasusubukan ko na ito noon. And this one, pork skin. Oh. Masarap to kasi marami taba ng baboy. I like the skin of the pork. So, bawang, put this in the side. Oh, yeah. Balik.
A few moments later.
So, after 6 minutes, kasi luto na tong labong eh. Yung binili ko, luto na to siya. Ready to cook na. So, I just cook it for at least 6 minutes. Hindi ko ito nilagyan ng tubig. Nagpuproduce yun siya ang sarili niyang juice. Yun mo. And then, I put this. A little bit salt. That nice, guys. It's very tasty. Look at that, guys.